Is AI gonna take over our jobs? That's the question everybody is wondering right now. How can I save my job? Or how can I make use of AI to survive or thrive in the next generation of life? That's the major question right now everybody's trying to answer. The thing is that whoever already has built a business, they know what kind of problems are they trying to solve. They are using AI right now. The beginners, we use like, okay, find me a good restaurants, whatever. Some basic things on a day-to-day basis. We are using it for using the AI for our like personal assistant. We should move beyond using AI to find answers to how can I use AI to make money? How can I integrate all these pieces? Whatever you are doing at the day job, how can I use AI more in order to build things faster and easy to automate and add value, bring value to your job through you being the best prompt engineer or putting all these multiple AI tools together to solve a bigger problem instead of just trying to do everything manually. How can I bring multiple pieces together? That's what everybody's doing. All these successful people, they get their hands on AI. They play around. Okay, this I need to automate some marketing. So which tools I can use and integrate and they talk together, ChatGPT, whatever. So they try to maximize their AI strategy. They know the problems and they are trying to solve the problems using AI in the business to get to next level, either to scale or whatever. I've been watching Neil Patel and Alexa Mosi, even Tony Robbins uses AI. Nowadays, things are changing. I see all these people who are at the next level in life, even the older people, they are getting their hands dirty on AI. The only way everybody suggests is that just do it. That's the only way. The one advantage for everybody at this time is it's still evolving. Nobody has become the expert. It's time for you to upgrade your skills to get to next level. So I'm trying to use AI like ChatGPT and other things to marketing or creating content topics or writing blogs. Some people use AI to write books, the complete books. That's the way the world is changing. Nobody wants to take years to build things. Now they want to condense time and speed up the growth. So how can we, the people who are planning to start a business or who are thinking like, I don't know whether I will have a job once AI comes in. I'm using very old technology that can be automated using AI. Then it's time for you to start thinking about which AI might take over your job and become an expert in that or build one. So you are the AI agent, your building agent to solve the problem and automate it since you are the domain expert as well as you are the software expertise. That's the other way you can think about how can you automate your own job with your own skills so you become the expert and sell it as a product. Or if you already have a business, how can you maximize it? How can you scale? There are a lot of bottlenecks in each and every business. How can you use AI to get over all these blocks or things that's stopping you? There could be a knowledge gap or resource gap. How can you use the agent to automate some of the workflows so you can minimize things? I'm learning a lot too. This the first video I'm creating using a software. Let's see how it goes. Thank you so much. Comment below how AI is going to change our lives and how are you going to thrive? How are you planning to use AI to maximize or monetize in your life?